welcome to the IIFA Rocks green carpet. We met you yesterday as well. We're live right now as we speak. You look dapper. Who are you wearing?
Oh, well,
Yeah.
it's a combination of many designers, I would say, but none from the Bollywood. This is all from Los Angeles.
Oh, it totally looks the part. Dia's also joining us on the green carpet. Dia, we're live as we speak.
I'm wearing Rocky S, and I really love his creations. I have to tell you this. I was in the elevator in the hotel and somebody said, "Are you wearing Roberto Cavalli?" And her eyes are very big and she was really eyeing my outfit. And I said, "No, I'm not. I'm wearing Rocky S." And I love it.
I'm quickly going to ask the both of you, which song did you get ready to today? You have a few more minutes to think about this while Dia, I'm sure, has that.
Just rephrase the question. You said which song?
Did you get ready to today? What was playing on your system when you were clamming up for the IIFA green carpet?
Oh, I see. Okay. First,
You know, I've addicted to this song that belongs to a film called Bowl. It's called Kehna Tha Pyar Ho Hi Gaya, and I had it on loop, and it's one of my favorites.
It's done a fantastic job, clearly. Dia needs to leave a message for all you guys watching without using the word love, bless, excited, and thank you. Love, bless, excited, and thank you. On your marks, get set, go.
I want to see a lot more of you at this weekend.
Smart does it. Thank you for talking to us.
Thank you.
Bye, sir. Look forward to seeing so much more of you. Thank you so much. Did you put this look together for him? I know you're quite the fashionista, so there's no escaping that question.
No, I didn't.
You didn't.
I
So
told him to wear something else instead.
you said no to your daughter. That is not something you're ever known to do.
I said no because I was not very comfortable
But
wearing
what did you want him to wear? I'm curious. To wear a shirt. But what do you actually think of his... We'll have our reviewers and fashionistas reviewing it back home, wherever. But what do you think of what he's wearing?
I would prefer it without the shirt.
You
without the t-shirt, in the
Without
shirt.
the t-shirt, in the shirt.
Okay, I'm going to ask Papa a question that he's probably never answered before. And if he's lying to us, you will tell us. What song did he get ready to? What was playing on the sound system when the both of you were getting ready to come to the green carpet?
I was getting ready to her talking.
No better way to get ready. Do you have a song that you get ready to?
I just have a playlist. I just play any random.
So what was today's top pick?
Arctic Monkeys.
Ah, alright. So do you have similar tastes in music?
She's the one who introduces me to all the new music.
Okay, and thank you so much for coming. I have to appreciate the diligence with which you have lifted that
What
up.
do I do?
Good job. Can we quickly do a 2-minute chat? You're safe over here.
Yes.
I'm still recovering from that last press conference look, and boy oh boy, you have changed in absolutely no time. Who are you wearing? Sabyasachi. No prizes for guessing. What a fantastic outfit. What made you pick this up?
I love the man and I love his work. And I
You
love
want to
the
step a
fact
little
that-
bit closer to us so that we can get a... Oh man,
Yeah, so
I gotta take a complete pan on that. It's a beautiful
From
Sabyasachi.
before I became an actor, I've always wanted to wear Sabyasachi. And I just love him. I love his aesthetic. I love what he stands for. I love that he's brought handloom and so much like Indian handicraft and art back into the fashion arena. So I really, really respect him for that, and I've always loved his work.
Yeah.
So I had to wear him, and this particular piece it's like an extension of my personality. So it's got this whole vintage classic thing happening, but it's also very boho and whimsical and quirky, and that's very me.
If this is an extension of your personality, I think
Well,
I already
I
like
think-
you very, 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 very much. But I'm going to ask you, Aditi, I saw you less than 2 hours ago and you were in a completely different ensemble. How long did it take you to get ready?
That is Angelina's Kamal. And she got me ready really fast. Also, she's lucky because I don't like to wear too much makeup, so it also happens really fast.
Okay, what may seem like an absurd question to others, what song did you get ready to this evening? What was
song
playing
did I
on your
get ready to
system?
this evening? Actually, I was listening to this song that I really like from Boyhood.
Oh.
Family of the Year.
Yeah.
So I listen to that a lot, especially when I'm in this little dreamy phase.
Space that you
Yes.
are in. On a scale of 1 to 10, and we would appreciate utmost honesty, How uncomfortable are you right now?
Actually, I'm not.
Oh.
I'm really not.
How high are your heels?
Okay, the heels I don't like. You know, one day I want to do
Girl
a red
problems,
carpet.
I understand.
One day I am going to walk a red carpet or a green carpet in sneakers. That is my dream for a red carpet. But yeah, I don't like the heels, but the outfit is actually
Very comfortable.
superbly
Yeah.
comfortable.
You said what you want to do on a green carpet.
Yes,
I
I am
actually
going
want
to
to
do this one
ask
day.
you about the one thing that you wouldn't be caught dead doing on a green carpet ever.
Yeah, over accessorizing, too much makeup, shoulder pads, crazy
Oh.
hair.
No shoulder pads? Ever?
No,
Never?
Look
no?
at me, I'm so tiny. If I had shoulder pads, there'd be more shoulder pads and less me. So,
Okay.
it's a bad
And
idea.
any idea who you're sitting beside inside, or who do you want to sit
I'm
by?
going to perform, so I'm going to do that first. I'm looking at you and not there. Is that good?
That's perfectly fine.
So I'm going to perform first. So I'm going to first get the jitters, finish that, and hopefully do a good job, and then come and sit down. And then I'll figure who my surprise
Partner and the okay. Before we let you go get the jitters, we want you to leave a message for your fans without using the words
Love.
thank you, love, excite, and bless. Good luck with that. Oh man, these guys always figure a way out of this. Thank you so much. Anil sir, please,
How are y'all? How are y'all? How are y'all?
please do a quick interview with us. Thank you so much. I love what you're wearing as well. I don't know whether you know about the Fame app. It's live. We're the official video partners of IFA. We have about close to 2,000 people watching you live,
Right.
and I have actually challenged them that if they can get the likes tally to over 3,000 in a matter of minutes from the time you set foot over there to
Right.
the time you reached me.
Right.
You and we've done this in the past. I promise you may not remember. My first ever interview, you danced with me on Juhu Beach to AGOG, and we're going to recreate that on this green carpet. You can't say no because 2,000 people have got this. Oh my God, they're going crazy. They're chanting 3,000, 3,000, 3,000. We need you to show us those green carpet moves. Let's do this. 1, 2, 3, go. So I can't let you go without asking you who you're wearing.
I'm wearing Hugo Boss.
You're wearing Hugo Boss. Sonam will approve, I'm sure. Have a good evening. Welcome to the IFA Green Carpet. Firstly, fashion questions first, always. Who are you guys wearing tonight?
I'm wearing Boss and
I'm wearing Babita. I love how you said it. It was so matter of fact. I'm wearing Boss. What made you pick Boss for tonight?
it's the I'm a disaster. I'm a fashion disaster. I'm not meant
You
to be
agree?
over here. Yeah. I think she tries her best.
He's not.
Honey, come on. Anyway.
You turn out pretty good.
Yeah, I just kind of pick whatever I see.
But this
and
is Boss and this is Armani.
yeah, okay, sorry. This is Boss.
Oh, you're mixing it up tonight.
That's how dumb I am. So forgive me, ladies and gentlemen. I'm not a fashion icon. You shouldn't be looking up to me for fashion.
Of course you are. Congratulations on the super duper duper
thank you.
success of Tanu Weds Manu. What a fantastic film.
Appreciate
But I'm
that.
going to keep it to fashion related questions.
Okay.
What song did you get ready to tonight?
I think my wife's voice is music to my ears. That's all we played.
I want to pan to her expression.
Can we tell them we don't
That's
know? Can we tell them something we didn't know? Hey, want to know about fashion? I did my wife's makeup. Beat that.
Yeah, he does my base. My
no
foundation.
way. Are you serious?
Always. And he's very good at it.
Yeah, that's
He's done a fantastic job. Okay, Madhavan, trick question for you. I want you to leave a message for your fans without using the words thank you, love, blessings, and excite.
okay.
All the best.
All right. Be sharp, be kind. Understand your parents. You shall adore the product that I put out. Beat that. Okay.
Congratulations. Have a great evening. I will tell you. It's something you haven't done before. It's an app. Can we do a lovely shot of what you're wearing firstly, and who are you wearing tonight? I'm wearing Bipu Mohapatra for tonight. Beautiful girl. So Kirti Sanan came in early this morning and she's already all set to party. What are your expectations from IFA Rouse? Have you been to an IFA before?
No,
Correct me if
it's
I'm
my
wrong.
first time,
Yeah, I figured.
Because it's my first one that released, and I'm very very excited. I don't know how it's like, how what happens inside and everything. I've always been watching this on television, so very excited just here to have fun.
Okay.
And just enjoy.
Okay, I'm going to ask you some fun fashion questions. We'll keep it simple. How long did you take to get ready firstly today?
the makeup person came. It took me like about 45 minutes for the makeup. But then there was a long gap because the hair person was not there. So if you calculate all of that, 3 hours. But ultimately,
We would forgive
about
4 or
1.5
5 hours easily right there.
1.5. But
on
I
a s-
usually don't take more than that.
okay, on a scale of 1 to 10, how uncomfortable are you right now?
Except for the length of the gown. It's always like this. I think I'm pretty much very
Comfortable. What song did you get ready to this evening? I know girls always have a song when they're getting ready. What was your chosen song this evening for the IFA green carpet?
Actually, there was no particular song.
Okay, but what is your favorite quick fix, pump up my mood kind of song?
Pump up my mood. I think I've been listening to Saturday.
Really?
Yeah, the recent song which I listened to was
Yeah.
that. So yeah, that's something that really pumps up, and
my-
you know, even when you get up on a Monday morning, it just kind
Saturday,
Yes.
Saturday. Okay, I'm
Tell
gonna.
yourself it's Saturday.
Your first brush with fame.
Yeah, I was at the signal of my, near my house, and I was sitting in the car, and it was night, so it was pretty dark. But the kids who were there on the signals, they're selling stuff and all. So they kind of surrounded my car, and they pointed out that it was me, and they started singing Aar Akbar.
Oh
Which
my
is a
God, song from your film. Yes,
yeah.
yes.
So that was like a huge moment. It was really dark, otherwise I would have recorded the whole thing.
Finally, before I let you go, your message for your fans, but the catch being you can't use the words thank you, bless, excite, and love. Let's see how you do that.
Oh my god.
See, I told you. No thank you, no bless, no excite, and no love.
I will keep entertaining you always like I have.
Short and simple, she's keeping it. Have a great evening. We'll catch you over the rest of the
Thank you
weekend
so
for sure.
much.
Thanks so
See ya.
much. Pit stop over here. How are you?
How are you guys? Yeah.
Picture in 2 minutes, you guys. So this is you.
Is this?
This is me.
Yeah,
This is where you are going to be looking.
That's
This is something that you have never done before. So let me take 30 seconds to
Tell me.
explain it to you. We have, as we speak, close to 2,000 people watching you live.
No way.
The likes have ramped up since the time you set foot on the green carpet. We've promised them that if the likes cross 4,000, which it just did right before you got here, and I'm happy to show it to you, you're going to sing Sun Satya. That's the first question.
सुन साथिया माहिया बरसाते शिका की स्याहिया दुश 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 रंग जाऊं रे हारी मैं. I feel like this is very close to my
1 million more fans right there. This app is going to go berserk.
Very big.
That quickly, I'm going to ask you some fashion questions. What a fantastic outfit. Who are you wearing tonight?
Thank you. I'm wearing George's Chakra.
Ryan, that's when you pan down and show the world this beautiful, beautiful outfit. Absolutely love it. Quickly tell us, so much fan love coming for you. Which song did you get ready to today?
Good question. I didn't get ready to any song today because me and my makeup and my hair, we are yapping away.
Okay,
Yeah.
but so no song. But you have a pump it up song?
I listen to music on the way here though.
Okay.
Dangerous by David Guetta.
Okay. Again, I want you to step a little bit closer. Which song did you get ready to today?
Which song did I get ready to? Actually, a lot of songs because I'm happy being one of them. But I think, that was my song today.
Okay. Also, leave a message for your fans. I'm going to complicate this a little bit for you.
Oh no,
Using
evil woman. Huh?
using the words beep, beep, beep.
Okay. I freaking beep. Love you so much, you beep people, and you're my beep, 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 beep flow.
I knew she would kill it, guys, which is why I tossed that difficult one at her.
Badlapur, man. What are you talking about?
Okay, what was your first brush with fame? When did Huma Qureshi realize ki boss, fame is on the way?
Oh wow! When my first time I walked at IFA red carpet, which
You don't
was
say.
2 years ago, and I was like, really, all these people are like, they actually know who I am because it was in Macau, and I was like, nobody knows me. in
Why are
Macau.
they screaming? Why do they know my
What's
name?
going on? Yeah. So yeah, that was quite cool.
Okay, honesty is really appreciated on this green carpet. On a scale of 1 to 10, how uncomfortable are we?
Not at all, actually.
How high are your heels, Huma?
Not that high actually. They're pretty okay. Although I don't need heels, but yeah, my stylist insisted I wear one with the sari. It just has better posture, gives you better posture.
Okay, we're gonna let you go. Nice to see you on this green carpet. I'm
Thank
going to
you so
catch a
much.
lot more of
Yes,
you.
thank you.
Thanks for talking to us. We're not letting you go.
Okay.
This is probably something, don't be so worried of this
What's
mobile
that?
phone. This is something neither of you have done before. It's the Fame app and we're broadcasting live across the world as we speak. I'm going to keep the questions fashion related for you guys. Who are you wearing tonight?
Well, I'm wearing Jatin Verma.
You're wearing Jatin Verma, and who have you decided to put Ritesh in tonight?
Ritesh puts himself. I don't choose anything.
No way!
Raghavendra Rathore.
No credit to the wifey there?
No, not at all. I think I have to ask Ritesh more than he has to ask me.
This couple
Yeah.
never ceases
Yeah.
to amaze. Okay, I'm going to quickly ask you guys, how long did it take him to get ready and how long did it take her to get ready? I'm so done asking each.
She got ready faster than me.
Always.
Always. See, she's waiting for half an hour for me to get ready. Because I try to get my hair right.
It's the hair.
Yeah.
I knew it.
You have no idea the amount of product has gone there.
You want to tell
There's
us?
wax, there's gel, there's hairspray, and there is something called the fix spray. There's Fevicol, there's glue stick.
I feel there's not enough focus on the effort that goes into making a man
Yeah,
look like
I
this.
know.
So kudos to you for doing that.
Yeah,
but on a scale of 1 to 10, Janelia, how uncomfortable are you right now?
Not at all. I'm very comfortable.
Is that a good time to ask you to ask how high your heels
My
are?
heels aren't very. I mean, they are high, but I could wear much higher.
Yeah?
So I've taken care of myself.
Okay, on a scale of 1 to 10, how good do you think Ritesh looks tonight?
The best! I mean, oh my god, who's the guy?
Okay, why is Rian not on this green carpet? I mean, for obvious reasons, but I was hoping and praying that I...
Sorry, I take my time. I'll come when I'm ready. So we said okay.
Okay, finally a message for your fans. We can do this together.
Yeah.
You have to leave a message for your fans using the words beep, beep, beep. And you have to leave a message for your fans without using the words thank you, love, excite and bless. You go first. I love when I put them in a spot, you guys. I just love it.
Okay. I have to use. I have to use beep, beep, beep. Beep, beep, beep.
Thank you guys. Have a good evening. We're broadcasting live out of here. It's the Fame app. We have about 2,500 people watching you live as you speak. We want to quickly show them what you're wearing.
Well, I'm wearing a Joel's chakra. I think it's beautiful, it's stunning, and I'm wearing Mohandas.
It's absolutely stunning. How comfortable does it actually make you feel?
Oh, it's very comfortable. It's just that I have a phobia of stairs.
And that's a whole lot of stairs.
Too many stairs.
I want to quickly ask you, do you want to come a little bit closer so we can get your audio loud and clear? But which is the one song that you got ready to this evening?
I got ready to Ellie Goulding actually, 50 Shades of Grey. There was a song which I really liked, so that's what I was listening to.
One message for your fans who've been live writing to us as we speak and going on a rampage liking this post. You want to leave a message for them without using the words thank you, bless, love and excite. You cannot say thank you, bless, love and excite.
Watch the IFAs, you're watching me, I'm watching you, that's great. And we can just keep watching each other on.
Thank you so much. We're talking about what you're wearing, who you're wearing.
I'm wearing
Let you go,
Rohit
guys.
Gandhi,
Please
Rahul
pan quickly. This
and,
is
Gucci,
stunning.
yes.
Rohit Gandhi,
Rahul Khanna.
Rahul Khanna, and Gucci.
Yeah.
How long did you take to get ready? How long did the hair take you to do?
Hair
30
25 minutes and rest 5 minutes.
I knew
Yeah,
it.
let's
Is
keep
there
like that.
oil? Is there gel? Is there wax? Is there
Smooth,
everything?
Oil, blow dry.
Okay, your manager's pulling you away. So
I need to
one
hold the
message,
show, that's why I'm
one
overdressed
message for your
tonight.
fan with
Yeah.
using the words beep, beep, beep. Come on, you can do this.
Using the
Beep,
words
beep,
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 beep, beep.
Don't use it. You got to say beep, beep, beep
Really,
for
really?
your fans.
Okay, watch IFA Rocks tonight, otherwise.
Beep, 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 beep.
Hi.
I have to firstly, I have been waiting for the past 7 minutes. It took you all of that long to get from here to there. Absolutely flaunt this gorgeous outfit for everyone who's
On the
watching.
steps, I'm trying my best to flaunt it.
Who are you wearing tonight?
I'm wearing a Sabyasachi Mukherjee
Oh
outfit.
man, no
Yeah.
prizes for guessing Sabyasachi
Stunning view,
Mukherjee.
yeah.
Amazing. On a scale of 1 to 10 though, how uncomfortable are you?
I'm not at all uncomfortable.
And I almost
when
believe you. For
when
some
when
reason
you wear
I believe
something
you.
like this, you feel like royalty, you feel like you own the world, you feel like a queen, you feel like a princess.
You look like a princess.
So yeah, I think it's every girl's dream to wear a Sabyasachi and look stunning.
And
yes,
you're living the
I'm the
dream.
lucky one, yeah.
Which song did you get ready to tonight?
Oh, I was listening to a lot of covers done by Boys Avenue.
Oh yeah?
Yeah,
That's
a lot
on
of
the
covers,
top of
yeah.
the playlist right now.
Yeah, but lots of songs. Demon, lots of things actually.
I'm gonna get Neha into this as well. Please join us. No, we insist.
Neha,
Before-
please one picture.
I trip.
Yeah. Neha, I was just quickly asking Bipasha, but before that I have to flaunt that outfit. Who are you wearing tonight?
I'm wearing Anamika.
Anamika Khanna.
The Bengal is ruling right
Yeah,
now.
yeah, the
Sabyasachi and
Bengal. Yeah.
Sanamika.
Sabyasachi
Yeah,
versus
yeah.
Anamika
All
Khanna.
couriers
Guys,
have
do
been
you have a
sent out to
favorite right
Kolkata.
there?
Yeah, just for this one.
Okay, but I was asking Bipasha which song she got ready to tonight. Do you have a favorite? What was on your playlist?
What was on my playlist? Hey, wait a minute. What was that song? Okay.
Happiness?
Yeah, okay.
Happiness?
Yeah.
Okay, and
That's
both
the
of
one.
you, what was your first brush with fame? Fame is the app, but when did you guys realize that you were getting famous?
Well, I think me back in 1996 when I won the Synthol Ford Supermodel of the World, and I thought I'm just like hanging around having fun, and I actually won the contest. So yeah, it was
What
like
about you?
One of those moments.
Well, for me, I think my first shoot, because I got to be in a music video, I got to be with a bunch of really cool-looking guys, which was enough. And then I got a free
Where
ticket
are
to
they now?
Mauritius, and most importantly, I got paid for it. I was like, "What's going on? This is amazing! I love my life."
Oh,
It's
yeah,
amazing.
actually I got 3,000 rupees in my first fashion show. I was very excited. I was over the moon. Yeah.
God,
So
that-
yeah, I
that
think
is-
just getting rich and having more money than you can spend, and at that time, I promise you, 3,000 feels like
It's
you
awesome.
can. Yeah, you don't know what to do with it.
Yeah, your message for your fans, both of you, let's see who does this better. You need to leave a message for your fans using the words, I repeat, using the words beep, beep, beep.
Okay.
That face! Just censor the
What
statement.
the beep? Wait, okay, continue.
You know, I don't
Sorry.
say anything which you can beep.
We just want to beep
but
it.
Beep, 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 Bipasha.
Nothing. What the beep is the meaning of all these beeps, but as far as all the beeps are concerned, I can just beep the entire sentence. But speaking of beep, I don't really need to beep.
Well done, well done, well done. Thank you for talking to us. So this traditional Malay outfit that you are wearing, well thought out, my friend, well thought out. I absolutely love this. You know the Fame app, you know exactly what we're doing.
I think you're too close. Move back.
You want to audio, but we want you to be loud and clear. So Sonakshi, on a scale of 1 to 10, how uncomfortable are you right now?
I'm so comfortable. I'm going to perform in this.
What? No way.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
You look super comfortable. We've been eyeing you since the time you walked this green carpet.
I'm going to sit in the audience. I'm going to perform in this.
You said you're going to take Dub Smash to a new level. I'm quickly
That
gonna...
is on the 7th.
On the 7th.
On the 7th.
Okay, okay.
Tonight is me singing, but I'm taking Dub Smash to a whole new level on the 7th.
Okay, but before the 7th, I'm going to step in front of you like this, and I'm going to ask you to sing any song that you want to while I can dub smash the shit out of it.
Which song do you want?
You pick, you pick. You're the
Well,
star.
well, do the hood the bang.
We can do Hud the Bang. Really, it is very close. Yeah, I know what you mean. It's very close. Okay, ready, ready, ready.
Hood the bang, the bang, the bang, the bang. Hood the bang, the bang, the bang.
That happened, you guys. Thank you so much. On a scale, I want to ask you before you go, a message to your fans without using the words love, excitement, blessings, thank you. Bored, yeah. No love, no blessings, no excitement, no thank you. Leave your message. You may
Okay,
leave.
then you guys rock.
On Hyper Rocks, safe
Without
it is.
using all your words, I told my fans that they rock and they do.
You sure do. So much love coming for you on the app, Sonakshi. Have a great evening. Thank you for talking to me. I love the authority with which you command the green carpet, Jacqueline Fernandez. This is something you haven't done before. So before you swirl your fingers at this, not gonna work. We're going live as we speak from the Fame app. It's one of the coolest new technologies we have. We have about close to 3,000 people watching you live as you speak.
I hope you have a good angle.
I can assure you, you
have a
look
left or right profile?
absolutely fab.
I don't know which one. A light seems to be coming from there, so I don't know.
Yeah, we're gonna
Is it okay?
avoid the light and go a little bit this way. Oh yeah, we love this.
This is good?
But
Okay.
okay, we're great. We're gonna keep it simple and fashion related. Do we have the audio okay, guys? Yeah. We do? Okay, awesome. How long did it take you to get ready? 5 hours? Nothing short, for sure. Look at
So
you.
getting ready. What time is it now?
It's 9:15. You start getting ready at 8.
At 8, yeah.
1 hour ago.
Yes.
1 second, there's travel time included as well.
And that took us exactly 50 minutes to get from backstage to here. That took more time than me getting ready,
So
actually.
1 hour to look like this. Who are you wearing tonight?
I am wearing Misha J. Singh. Yes. And she's an amazing designer. And the first time I'm wearing her. And it was great that we can just kind of like bring an Indian designer, you know, us
Yeah.
being abroad and us being in ICA.
Yeah, there are so many of your fans on the app right now and a bunch of them here as well. I know that you have a special connection with Malaysia because
Yes.
mom's from here. You're performing to something along those lines. What's that going to be like?
I'm actually doing an act which is a mix of Malaysian and Bollywood, and I'm going to be performing with Malaysian dancers and doing something a little bit traditional as well. So,
Okay.
yeah, it's the first time I'm doing like traditional Malaysian dance, but I'm so excited that this is.
Is that going to happen inside right now?
Yes, it is.
Oh my
It's
God, I
fantastic.
cannot wait. That
so
is
I'm, like,
fantastic.
excited to actually do that.
Which song did you get ready to this evening?
My track, just like going through it in my head because I always get like the jitters when I.
So you won't let us in on that, I'm guessing.
Oh no.
No. Okay, what was Jacqueline Fernandez's first brush with fame? I did fame, you guys.
Fame, winning Miss Sri Lanka.
Miss Sri Lanka, of course, that's for sure. Just before I let you go, your message to your fans using the words beep, beep, beep. Feel free.
I beep love you. I beeping love you. So beeping much. And have a beeping time.
Oh my
watching
God, how
Haifa.
adorable is she, you guys? I'm gonna let her go. She completely nailed that.
Did I get the gist of it?
Adorable. Let me help you up with that. Thank you for talking to us. You are being watched by 2,700 people as we speak right now, and the likes have ramped up to 6,007. That's history for us, Sonu.
Great.
Complete history. I'm going to take this moment. I spotted you when you entered over there, and this powder blue suit. I was like, boy, oh boy, I have to find out everything about
Oh my
this
God,
suit.
look at talking.
I absolutely love what you're wearing.
Thank you so much.
And the way that it's complementing the checked collar. Who are you wearing tonight?
I'm Narendra Kumar.
Narendra Kumar.
Yeah, so I think he's a genius, and thank you, Narendra, for that.
Of course, he's a genius. But how long did it take you to get ready today? I know the men. It's
5 minutes, 5 minutes.
bullshit.
I'm telling you, 5 minutes. You know, I'm very, very quick with it.
It's really underrated. You know, men as well have to work really hard to, if nothing else, to fix your hair. So what is
10
happening
to
over there?
15 minutes, yeah, nothing much. You know, I have my hair guy who always asks me to sit and give some time, but I said, you know, it's okay, it's done, so let's move right now.
Okay, but do you have a song that you listen to, and or what were you listening to this evening when you were getting ready for the
Nothing, actually, frankly speaking, but yeah, there's lots of songs going on in my head always, all the time, especially for my film, Happy New Year. But like I said, when I was
Happy
getting
New
ready,
Year, you said. What's your favorite song?
I love India Wale. I think India Wale is one of the very, very special songs. Yeah.
Have you ever sung it for us on a public green
I
carpet?
haven't because I know I'm backwards, but still I won't mind it.
You wouldn't mind
Yeah,
singing.
yeah.
You wouldn't mind singing. That's
I can try.
amazing. He wouldn't mind singing. Guys, 100 likes for that right now. We can do this before he goes. Let's sing.
कहते हैं हमको प्यार से इंडिया वाले लेते दिल के तार से इंडिया वाले. Before they run away, bye, I
I
love you.
love How good do you look? Super.
You always speak the truth. I love it.
I speak nothing but the truth, and nothing but the truth. And I want you to truthfully tell me how long it took you to get ready this evening.
I had to shampoo. I
course.
use a head and shoulder shampoo, but I use it on shoulders, so it takes a little longer time. Then I had to blow dry. So it took me a lot of time.
I love the honesty. Who are you wearing tonight?
Some Burberry.
Burberry, the classic Burberry, it shows completely. I was asking everyone over here which song they got ready to this evening. Do you have a song that you get ready to?
I don't know what the songs are.
Is it an absurd question? Do you not listen to music?
I listen to it, but I enjoy music more than the song.
Okay, so do you have something that you want to sing that you were getting?
Something Kanika was singing was nice.
Good time to actually call her into this interview and not let you go for sure. Kanika, just one small request from Anupam sir. He wants you to sing a song for us. So can we have you do that? Which song? Do you have a request, sir?
Baby. Oh baby doll मैं सोने दी, doll मैं सोने दी, ये दुनिया amazing है, sorry, it's not literally.
मेरी है.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank
You're
you.
looking absolutely beautiful. I'm going to hold on to her for a couple of more
I
seconds
would
and
have
do
to hold on to her.
Thank you for stopping by, Kanika. A lot of your fans, I don't know if you definitely actually haven't done this. This is the Fame app. We have about 2,800 people watching you live as we speak. The likes have broken all records. 7,000 people hitting the like button. We asked them what song we would like for you to hear. But Baby Doll already just happened. That was a popular favorite. But anything else? And I must tell you on an off note, we've all just been sitting and wondering how someone can be such a complete, stunning package. How does someone manage to be so talented and look like this on a TikTok?
Thank you, that's really kind of you.
Who are you wearing?
I'm wearing it's a new designer, very close friend of mine called Isha and Amrita Rajpal. It's called Rose Room Couture Delhi. So they're up and coming and you guys all have to go out there and look out for them.
Guys, that's a shout out for Rose Room Couture right here on Fame. I'm going to ask Kanika the questions that I've been asking most of the guys on the celebrity green carpet.
Yeah, really.
I'd be surprised if you actually name a song that isn't yours. But which song did you get ready to today?
A mashup of all my songs.
A mashup of all your
Pretty much
songs.
all my songs.
So, do you think we can have a sneak peek of a mashup of all your songs on this green carpet?
Oh my god.
That'll be tough. I know that'll be tough. Let's try with maybe like 3-4. A mashup just for you guys.
टुकड़ा टुकड़ा इन सांसों का सीने में है बिखरा पड़ा, सूखा हुआ समंदर है आँखों के अंदर, धड़कन चलेगी कैसे दिल में छुपे हैं खंजर, दिन काले काले लागे लगती है काली काली रैना, छिल गए नैना, छिल गए नैना, छिल गए नैना, छिल गए नैना, तुले आते मैनू गोल्डन झुमके, मैं कन्ना विच पावा चुम चुम के, हो बेबी डॉल मैं सोने दी, हो बेबी डॉल मैं सोने दी, मैं लवली हो गई नाम तेरा पढ़ के, नाम तेरा पढ़ के. Thank you.